A few years ago, creating content at a professional level meant a whole team. A writer, a designer, a video editor, a voice artist. Today, one person with the right AI tools can do all of IT, from a laptop, often for free. That's not hype. Creators who use AI are reporting they save around 12 hours every week. 12 hours. That's the difference between posting once a week and building a real audience. So in this video, I'm giving you the complete stack, 7 AI tools that cover every stage of content creation, from the first idea to the final post. For each one, I'll tell you what it does, how creators actually use it, and the trick that gets the most out of it. Save this one. Let's go. Quick note before we start. I'm not going to just read features at you. For each tool, I'll show you the exact job it replaces in your workflow, so you know where it fits. And keep this in mind the whole time, because it's the thing beginners get wrong. It doesn't replace your creativity. It removes the friction that slows it down, the research, the formatting, the tedious editing. Your ideas, your taste, your voice, that's still the part that matters, and it's still all you. The tools just give you more time to spend on it. Here's number 1. Number 1, checked. The foundation of almost every creator's workflow. This is your brainstorming partner and your first draft machine. It generates video ideas, writes scripts, outlines blog posts, drafts social captions, and breaks through the blank page that stops most content before it starts. When you don't know what to post, IT gives you 20 angles in seconds. But here's the trick that separates great results from generic ones, and almost nobody does it. Don't just ask, write me a script. Give it a role and context. Tell it, act as an expert scriptwriter for short, punchy YouTube videos. My audience is beginners. Here's my tone. The more context you feed it, the more the output sounds like a seasoned pro instead of a robot. A smart workflow. Ask it to brainstorm 10 ideas, pick one, ask for an outline, then a full draft, and then you rewrite it in your voice. The free version alone is enough to transform how fast you create. Number 2, Perplexity. The research step that makes your content actually credible. Good content needs facts, data, and angles your competitors missed. Normally, that means opening 20 tabs and reading for an hour. Perplexity does it for you. You ask a question, IT searches the web in real time, reads everything, and gives you a clear answer with the sources linked so you can verify them. For creators, this is huge for 2 things: researching a topic fast before you script it, and fact-checking so you don't post something wrong and lose trust. Unlike a normal chatbot, it's connected to current information, so it's not making things up from memory. The trick: use it to find the angle nobody else has. Ask it, what are the most common mistakes people make with X, or what's the latest data on Y, and build your content around what you find. It's free to start. Number 3, Midjourney. For visuals that don't look like everyone else's. Every creator needs images, thumbnails, blog headers, social graphics, backgrounds. Stock photos look generic, and everyone uses the same ones. Midjourney generates unique, high-quality images from a text description, so your visuals look distinct and premium. It's considered the gold standard for aesthetic quality. The images often don't look AI-generated at all. For thumbnails especially, this matters, because a scroll-stopping thumbnail is what decides if anyone clicks your video in the first place. The trick most people miss: be specific and descriptive in your prompts. Don't say a robot. Describe the style, the lighting, the mood, the colors. The quality of your image is a direct reflection of the quality of your description. Treat it like directing a photographer, not pressing a button. Number 4, Canva with its Magic Studio AI features. This is designed for people who aren't designers. Not every creator can afford to learn professional design software, and you don't need to. Canva lets you create thumbnails, social posts, carousels, presentations, and more using templates and AI. Its Magic Design feature generates entire layouts from a simple prompt, and it has built-in AI image generation and one-click background removal. Where Midjourney makes the striking original image, Canva is where you assemble the finished graphic, add text, brand colors, and layout fast. For a solo creator, IT replaces an entire design step. The trick: Build a simple brand kit inside Canva, your fonts, your colors, your logo, so everything you make looks consistent without thinking about it. Consistency is what makes a small creator look professional. And the free plan is genuinely powerful. Number 5. ElevenLabs. Professional voiceover without a microphone or a voice actor. This is the best AI voice tool available, and the quality is genuinely hard to tell apart from a real human. You type your script, pick a voice, and it generates a natural, expressive narration with real emotion and pacing, not the robotic text-to-speech of the past. For creators, this unlocks a lot: narration for faceless videos, audio versions of your blog posts, podcast intros, or voiceovers for shorts when you don't want to record yourself. You can even clone your own voice to scale your content without sitting at a mic every time. The trick: don't just paste plain text. Add punctuation and breaks the way you'd actually speak. IT controls the pacing and makes the delivery feel human. The free tier gives you enough characters to test it on a full piece of content. Number 6. Descript. This one changes how you edit video and audio completely, and it's the one that makes people say, "Wait, what?" Here's the magic. Descript transcribes your video into text, and then you edit the video by editing the text. You don't touch a timeline. You delete a word in the transcript, and that word is deleted from the video. It's that direct. Say your recording has filler words, every and one click, and Descript removes every single one across the whole video and smooth the cuts. It also has one-click studio sound to clean up bad audio, and it can type new words into your video using a clone of your voice to fix mistakes without re-recording. Work that used to take 3 hours on a timeline takes minutes. The trick: use it for first-pass editing, cutting the fat, removing mistakes, even if you finish in another editor. That first pass is where most of the time is lost, and Descript erases it. And number 7. Opus Clip. The tool that solves the biggest problem in content today: consistency. Every creator knows short-form video is where the growth is, but making shorts every day is exhausting. Opus Clip takes one long video, a YouTube episode, a podcast, a webinar, and automatically finds the most engaging moments, clips them, adds animated captions, and formats them vertically for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. It even scores each clip for how likely it is to go viral. So instead of filming shorts separately, you record one long piece and turn it into a week of short content in minutes. That's how solo creators stay everywhere at once without burning out. One honest note: the auto-detection works best on content where someone is talking on camera, podcasts, interviews, talking head videos. If your content is a different format, you might still pick your own moments. But for talking content, it's a massive shortcut, and it keeps your pipeline full. So there's your complete creator stack. ChatGPT for ideas and scripts, Perplexity for research, Midjourney for visuals, Canva to design it, ElevenLabs for voice, Descript to edit, and Opus Clip to turn one video into many. 7 tools that, together, replace an entire production team. But here's the advice that actually matters, and it's the same every time. Don't go sign up for all 7 today. That's how you end up with 7 subscriptions and a workflow you never use. Pick the one that fixes your biggest bottleneck right now. If you can't come up with ideas, start with Chat. If editing eats your weekend, start with Descript. If you can't keep up with shorts, start with Opus Clip. Master one, build it into your routine, then add the next. Because the creators winning in 2026 aren't the most talented. They're the most efficient, the ones who use AI to remove the friction and spend their energy on ideas and connection. The tools are here, most have free plans, and the only thing left is to start using them. If this helped, subscribe. Every week I break down exactly how to use AI to work less and earn more. I'll see you in the next one.